County 911 pulling for closest car, Salmon River Road, town of Montague. 734, status location.
TSB clear.
737, status location.
On State Road 812, by the old State Road, town of Krogan, clear.
Seven 343-332, have reported a snowmobile accident with injury. Subject will be located at 6253 Salmon River Road, town of Montague, the Tug Hill Hook and Ladder, near the intersection of the Owen Road. 40-year-old male complaining of difficulty breathing. Hook and Ladder. 36734-2338.
32734, which location? I just left PSB. You want me to head up? I know you're going to be a little closer.
Yeah, I can dig it. You're pairing up anyway, right?
Yeah, shortly.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I'll dig it.
Appreciate it, thanks.
Fullest copy, direct 2338.
13734, if you need a hand, I'm up Krogan way. I can start that way as well. I'll be out.
Yeah, if he's off the trail already, I should be all set.
Alright, give me advice.
It's BSB as well. I'll head up with 734. I'm not too far behind him here.
2340. Dave. If you had a crew for this tow. Dave, did you have the full crew for this tow?
That's affirmative. 401's en route to base.
No, sorry, I'm on 4 Lewis dispatch.
No, 5-4.
We're en route to that call, staff paramedic. Could you give us more information on that call?
It's 401, just received a second call. This male subject is losing consciousness. They have him laying on the floor. She's unable to tell me if there's alcohol involved or not, or if this is an injury.
I want to see if you can get a helicopter en route in case we need it. Was he ejected, or was the... got any information in regards to that?
Negative. This was the bartender that called it in.
Once you get a helicopter heading this way in case we need it, we can always cancel it.
2345.
I think I copied most of that, Lewis. Patient update.
Affirmative. Unknown alcohol involvement. Subject starting to lose consciousness.
Copy. We're just going by Syracuse Monroe.
2345.
Sorry, I'm on 4. That's the Tug Hill Hook and Ladder restaurant we're heading toward.
Bed, ambulance 4.
Sorry, ambulance 4.
Is this individual's friend who was with him. He's not sure exactly what happened. He stated that he was involved in an accident. He believes that he was ejected. He has had some alcohol. He states not a lot. And they drove to the Tug Hill Hook and Ladder. Stated it was a few miles from the scene. His only complaint was that it was hard to breathe.
Affirmative. Also, see if you can get a hold of Mark Souve, up in Copenhagen, see if he can meet us up at the scene.
Affirmative.
737 Lewis, I haven't been able to contact or been able to get any of your transmissions. What's the station status?
I believe he was ejected. found the snowmobile. However, they were able to drive to Tug Hill Hook 'em Ladder. I believe some alcohol involved.
Copy, but is he still conscious and breathing?
That's affirmative.
Got it.
Got one coming at you. 4-3.
424.
Oh, it's on ambulance 4, go ahead.
We're trying to get a hold of EMC Suva, advising to go to the scene.
Affirmative.
401, do you want grips given for tuggers, or do you want to try closer to the Olin Road intersection on Salmon River?
We're pretty well down in there, but I would say about 4.
We have control online at this time. Delta 4, you're on scene to Hook 'em Ladder, 0008. 24 is en route to the scene at the Olin Road intersection. Dispatch ambulance 4.
4, go ahead.
Helicopter is in Barnes Corners. They stated they can't see you when they were Salmon River Road. Dispatch ambulance 4. Dispatch ambulance 4, the helicopter. Alpha 4.
Advise the helicopter airborne, SUNY Upstate at 0055 hours. We're 10-8 returning the quarters, staff paramedic.
Air, route to Upstate, Alpha 4's mobile service, 0055.
01 to Chief Sober, why don't you go ahead of us, we'll follow you. Support LSI 4, thank you. Oh, thank you.